We have a super important mission for you guys. You guys want a super important mission?
Sure.
I'm going to stay here and start tearing down the little entryway thing we have. Happy tastes good.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh,
We have a super important mission for you guys. You guys want a super important mission?
Yes. Sure.
So do you know Dr. Corpus, the superintendent?
Yeah.
They lost their little white puppy, Luna, this morning. Their puppy's name is Luna, too.
Luna.
And it's a little white puppy.
And they're white.
Yeah. Can you guys get on your bikes and go walk around the neighborhood? Maybe even you can walk, go out into the desert and look for their little white puppy. Macy, take your phone with you.
I will do that.
But you guys can go out and start looking for it.
Split up.
You can if you want to.
Let's take a leash.
If you split up, whoever goes to the desert needs the phone.
I'll go in the desert.
Okay, somebody can go with Macy into the desert. So London, you stay in the neighborhood all the way up around here. You can go over to the church and all that area. So you guys go out and look for the puppy, okay? While the kids go out and look for the puppy, I'm going to stay here and start tearing down the little entryway thing we have. I got a sledgehammer last night, and we're just going to tear out the block and haul it to the dumpster. So it's going to be an action-packed day where we got a lot of projects to get done. Hopefully these kids can find that puppy. Well, we got the first one tore off. Ella, what do you think?
I can't even go down
This is crazy, huh? Should I do it again? Okay, back up, girls. Back up.
Okay.
Back up. Back up farther. I don't want to hit you. Woo! Got it. Oh, got another one. Got another one. That's kind of fun. Well, I think the easy part's done. I tore down the wall. Now the pain in the butt part is actually tearing that off. Carrying all that to the garbage can. Should I tear out this wall too? The girls are confused why I'm tearing down the wall. These guys right here all did such a great job helping. We're gonna go buy them Dairy Queen lunch and ice cream. Who wants what?
I totally paid that off.
You don't want Dairy Queen? It's ice cream and lunch.
I totally paid that off.
They have chicken
I
strips.
totally paid it off.
We'll do all party.
Alli is ordering for all these kids, and there's a line to get in. What's up?
What's your Sunday?
Ice cream. It's right there. So she's getting everybody the $6 meal deals from Dairy Queen. So I get the Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
But they kind of all have different drinks and stuff.
You guys are spoiled rotten.
Thank you. Thank you. We are at Royal Drive. What's this Royal?
And then one more chicken.
This is craziness.
You never know what a day is going to entail with us. Oh, that's a good looking crew.
Take your own cat. This is all my food. Thank you. This is all my food. Look at it.
Whoa, look at all this food back here.
Look at all my
Holy
food.
cow.
Oh yeah.
Food and drinks galore.
This is all mine.
What's it say? Happy tastes good.
Dad, I want this to happen.
Let's go to the park.
I want this to happen. 365 days of summer vacation.
That would be awesome. Who wants to go to the park?
Man,
This looks so good. Oh. I know. I got it.
Woo!
This is mine. Check it, check.
Lots of French fries and chicken strips.
no, not yet, Abby.
Are these the chicken strips down here?
Yeah, guys, raise your hand if you got a hamburger.
Ever since the playground days, flying's on the swings. Right on through them teenage years, Mississippi King.
So, no luck finding Luna, Dr. Corpridge's dog. My friend Joey, you've seen him on the vlog before. He came out,
He loves being.
but we checked a bunch of desert. We've checked roads and no luck finding her. Luckily, it's not our Luna, but I feel bad for the family who lost her.
The next day.
Quick update. They did find the puppy. Nobody actually found the puppy. The puppy just decided to come home. So that's great news. We are so glad that the other family that owns a little puppy that's named Luna as well. We had a lot of people actually call us and be like, we heard you lost your puppy. But it wasn't our puppy. It was our friend's puppy. Same name, same size, same color, different breed. This is a couple day later update while I'm editing the video. But I thought you'd like to know that the puppy was found. So while you're here, since you made it to the end, make sure you hit subscribe and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can be notified every time we release a new video. Because we love bringing you these videos and these vlogs. Thanks for being a part of the crew. Adios.
Now one, her son, could ever feel the shoe. Some try to knock me off my throne, but all they